morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad. We are here in Nevada at the Hoover Dam. We just spent 2 days in Las Vegas, and now we're moving on, eventually ending up in another day or two here in Utah to do the Big 5 and beyond. So we have 2 more days here in Nevada, but here we are at Hoover Dam, just parked, and we're right near the food, gift shop, all that. Up there is the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Bunch of transmission lines, and you can see the top of the dam right here. There are no behind the scenes tours right now, ever since COVID hit and everything. But we are going to be walking across the dam and time traveling when we cross the midway point of the dam. It is 10:07 a.m. right now, and when we walk across the dam into Arizona, it'll be 11:07, or however long it takes us to get there. And it's 109 degrees already. I think I'm getting used to it. It doesn't feel too bad. You don't say.
Is the American Bald Eagle. It is prominently featured supporting a shield composed of 13 red and white stripes. These stripes represent the 13 original states, with a blue bar uniting the shield. Welcome to the winged figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Henson. This work of art was designed.
Tillman Bridge is high.
Not a time. Well, this is that'll tell us over there, I guess. Arizona time. No, let's grab the ladders and come in and get ready. See if you can get something.
Clock on this turbine that has Nevada time at 10:20 a.m. Backside here is Lake Mead. So we are in Arizona right now.
Oh yeah, because Arizona time is also, it says up there, 10:19.
And that clock reads the same. We did not time travel, actually.
Oh, man.
And I'm thinking Arizona and Indiana, I think, are states that do not observe daylight savings time and don't adjust clocks. I think that's why we're the same time. We did cross the state line though, and we are on the other side of the dam. But my promise of time traveling will not happen until we cross the border of Nevada into Utah. Do not knock that over, bud. I would not put that up there. Your bottle. I would not put it up there. Yes, I'm pretty sure no daylight savings time observed in Arizona. So here we are on the Lake Mead side. Blue-green water is amazing. Unbelievable how they built this dam. I've seen shows on it and everything like that. It's just incredible how they have they did this in the 30s. I think over about 3 years. and is just like building wooden forms, boxes basically, and filling those boxes with concrete. So I haven't been here in 20 years, and that was honestly right around the time that the drought started out here in the west. You can see this lower line here, white, is usually underwater. About 2 weeks ago, Hoover, Lake Mead reached its lowest point in its history since the 30s. Lowest water level. There's been a 20-year drought out west here, and yeah, the area is really suffering from that. But again, it's 10 a.m. and it's 110 degrees at least, so you can see why. But pretty amazing here, but man, they need some rain out here. They are over on the Colorado River side. I didn't see any water flowing out. I don't even know that they're generating right now. They may be, but they might be trying to build up the reservoir again. Modern civil engineering wonder of the United States, one of 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers in 1955. And here is our official Nevada-Arizona state line. I've got a foot in each state. Event center is right here, overlooking the place. Air-conditioned gift shop is kids' favorite part of the dam. Cafe here at the dam, and there's an amazing statue here of a worker on steel ropes, just suspended on a oh my god, rope with wood platform under him, ropes just braided together, jackhammering into the wall. It's called the High Scaler, sculpted by Stephen Ligori in 2000, depicting the workers and how they built the dam.
Squeeze any of it into my mouth.
Excellent cafe here at the dam. We're gonna get ice cream on the way out too. All right. Well, thanks for watching us. We're gonna get out of here, and we're headed to Nevada's Valley of Fire State Park next. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and keep up with these adventures. We'll see ya.